In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Drive folder accessible for everyone. So, as you know that by default, not everyone can see your folder, so you can click three dots in the folder you want to change. And then you can see there is manage access option, you can click it. And then you can see for general access, it's restricted. You can change it by click change option, and then you can click it again, and then you can choose anyone with the link. And also you can see the permission option. You can choose whatever you want, and then go back again, and then you can just copy the link and share to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.